boy is not doing good. Your boy is not doing good. I'm gonna try my best to stabilize you guys. Oh my God.
You're fine.
Not too bad.
It's fine.
It's not too bad.
It's just gonna go really, really fast.
Got this.
And it's gonna turn a lot.
Done this shit so many times that I know all the tricks.
Yeah, buddy.
All the lies.
All right.
Wow, that's a fall drop.
Mistakes are already made.
Yeah, buddy.
Mistakes are being made. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh, and it's freaking cold. Not the goddamn pretzel. No! No, I like crackers. I don't like pretzels. Oh, I lost the camera. And it's back. Oh! I'm not a fan of pretzels, guys. Not at all. Ernie likes pretzels. Yo, I'm gonna yak. I'm gonna yak and yeti. Why are we doing a barrel roll? Oh, yo, that was rough. Let's never do this shit. What do you mean? Why? Why is it not over? Oh, yo. Oh, is it probably gonna get wet? I don't want to get wet. Oh, I got wet. Oh, to infinity and regret. And now we have.
That one does suck.
And now we have. That was 2 minutes of my life. I'm never getting back.
Oh my God.
You good, Ernie?
It was worth it.
It was worth it.
Amy?
Oh, it was good.
Terrible.
I can't wait a whole nother year to do this again. Oh my God.
Ernie screamed a lot more than I did. So
Yeah,
that's good.
buddy. That was awesome.
Oh my God.
I screamed with joy. You screamed to sound like fear.
I'm gonna need a pretzel with beer cheese.
Yummy.
Oh.
We survived, guys.
Don't get on, run!
At least we didn't get stuck, okay?
Run!
That would have sucked, dude.
See you guys next time.